The next example here, given some measures of angles. Now from these angles make a pair of complementary and supplementary angles. So first make supplementary pairs. Supplementary pairs means the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree. This pair is called supplementary. So let's see first pair. Suppose it is a 45 degree and this is a 135 degree. So addition of these 45 plus 135 is 180. So here angle A and angle B are the supplementary. Now one more pair is there. Search 90 plus 30 naught, 90 plus 60 naught. Whose sum is 80? See 30 and 150. 30 plus 150 is 180. So angle F and angle H. These are the supplementary angle of pair. Now let's find out complementary. Complementary means what? Sum of measure of two angle is 90 degree is called the complementary angles. Complementary angles means whose sum is 90 degree. Find out 45 plus 45. No, there is no another one is 45. So not. Then 90 plus 0. Angle C and angle D. 90 plus 0 is 90 degree. Addition of these two angles are 90 degree. So C and D are the complementary. See second one. 30 plus 60. 30 plus 60 is 90. So here angle F and angle G. These both are the complementary angle because sum of F and G 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Let's see the next question. A plus 30 degree and 2A degree are measure of two supplementary angles. What is measure of two angles? Here these two angles are supplementary means their addition is 180 degree. It means here A plus 30 plus 2A is equal to 180 degree. Now solve this. This A, there is no coefficient means there is 1. A plus 2A, that is 3A plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Now write down here 3A to the left side, 180. This 30, it's come to the right side. This plus 30 become minus 30. So 3A is equal to 150 degree. So value of A is equal to 150 upon 3. So A is equal to 3 5 is 15 and 0. Value of A is a 50. This is the value of A. Now find out the angles. The first angle is A plus 30 degree. Put here value of A, that is a 50 plus 30 is equal to 80 degree. And the second angle, that is a 2A, means 2 into, there is no sign, it means there is a multiplication. Value of A is a 50, 2 into 50, that is a 100 degree. So these two angles are 80 degree and 100 degree. The measure of angles are 80 degree and 100 degree. Check it. 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. Now the next example, in XYZ angle y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of pair do x and z makes? Let's see here. In triangle, sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Means three angles, sum of three angles is 180 degree, that is angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Put your value of y is 90 degree, angle x and angle z as it is. So here angle x plus angle z is equal to 180. This plus 90 become minus 90. So angle x plus angle z is equal to 90 degree. If angle x plus angle z is equal to 90 degree, so therefore angle x and angle z are complementary angle, because as per the definition of complementary angle, the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree. These angles are called complementary angles. Next example, the difference between the measure of two angle of complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measure of two angles. Let's first assume that angles are, these two angles are complementary. It means the angles are x degree and 90 minus x degree. Why? Because these two angles are complementary. It means their sum is 90 degree. If one angle is x, then another is 90 minus x. Now, by the given condition, the difference between means their subtraction is a 40 degree. It means x minus 90 minus x is equal to 40 degree. Now here x, this plus become minus 90, this minus become plus x is equal to 40 degree. X plus x, that is 2x. This 40, this plus 90 become minus 90 become plus 90. So 2x is equal to 130 degree. So x is equal to 130 divided by 2. So value of x is a 65 degree. So here one angle is x degree, that is 65 degree, and another angle 90 minus x is means 90 minus 65, that is a 25 degree. So these two angles are 65 and 25 degree, whose addition is 90 degree, means these two are the complementary, and their subtraction is a 40 degree. This is the questions from practice set 17.